Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Pro, and today we have a 2019 Ford Escape and stock reference number 7433. This shape runs from the 9th month 2016 through to the 5th month 2020. It has a 1.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 1.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. We have the right-hand fog light, left headlight, left fog light, left guard has no damage, left power door mirror, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left front door has no damage, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left tail light, left tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has one small dent, right front door has multiple dents, right guard has a small fold on the top edge, right power door mirror, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster.